Hi guys, welcome back to MakersBox Knowledge Series. This is Trapti, your host, back again with another video. And today I've again picked up two very basic things, which is a hammer and a nail. So before we start, do you also face these challenges while hammering a nail? So in today's video, I'm going to share a few tips and tricks on how to hammer a nail efficiently so that you won't face these challenges ever again.
Challenge is when people want to take the nail out because of maybe wrongly placed nail or nails which aren't going straight into the wood. So in that case, what people usually do is they use a plier to take them out, but you should avoid doing that. Instead of that, use your hammer and the claw side of your hammer by just placing the head of your nail in between the claw and just pull it out. And you're done. Another problem that we face after hammering the nail is protruded nail. As you can see it here, I'm just inserting it in and protruded nail can hurt. So to get rid of that, you can simply use a plier and curve the pointy end just like this. And just hammer it back into your wood. Facing problem while holding the small nail as it can crush your finger to the wood? You can simply use a plier and place the nail in between so that you can place the nail in place and just hammer it like this. Or if you do not have a plier, you can use a piece of cardboard, make a cut and simply place the nail in between that cut. So this can again help in protecting your finger. And you can simply pull the cardboard piece out after you're done.
And splitting off narrow piece of woods. And for that, you can try blunting the tip of your nail before you hammer it, which can be easily done with the help of a hammer. And now you can try hammering the blunt head of your nail. So this happens because the blunt nail pushes through the wood rather than pushing it apart. So another way of avoiding splitting is to make a pilot hole first with the help of a drill machine and then insert your nail. But the bit should be slightly smaller than the size of your nail. Don't know how to use a drill machine? Well, you don't have to worry about that because I'll be making another video on how to use a drill machine. Tab tak ke liye, bye guys, keep making, thanks for watching and do not forget to like and subscribe our channel.